Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove your playlist from appearing on your profile on Spotify. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your library at the bottom and then select your playlist you want to either add or remove from your profile page. Then select the little three-dotted icon next to the little user icon right in the center of the page here and scroll down and select where it says make private if you want to make it private. If you wanted to make it public, go back in here and then there would be an option to make it public. So pretty straightforward, and as always, thank you for watching. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.